Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Adam the Explorer and I'm one of the Dacia Duster Explorers. In this video you'll see me driving green lanes, which is commonly known as a hobby of green laning. Some of these lanes can be easy and some can be incredibly difficult and or potentially dangerous, but all offer a beautiful feeling of excitement and escapism. If you have any doubt about the green lane you're driving, get out and walk the lane first, making a mental note of places to turn around and if needed, thinking about strategies to overcome any difficult sections you come across. Because reversing after a failed attempt to get along the lane can be incredibly difficult and increases your risk of an accident or potential damage to your vehicle. I personally should know. We abide by the Green Lane Association Glass Code of Conduct for driving these lanes, and we respect all other users of these lanes, including horse riders, walkers and cyclists, as we all have a part to play keeping these lanes open for everyone. If you're thinking of green laning yourself, please consider joining the Green Lane Association to help in the fight to keep these lanes open and to help you understand more about this hobby. We also have the Trailwise 2 website, which will significantly aid in your planning. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates on new videos and check out my large video collection. For more information, head to my website www.adamtheexplorer.co.uk and www.daciadusterexplorer.co.uk, which also has some tools to help you. And finally, thanks for watching, stay safe and enjoy your trips.